Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user how to set and use the core temperature probe for cooking in the Delta T setting. Delta T cooking is a cooking program in which the oven temperature increases according to the core temperature of the food, in contrast to the constant oven temperature. In larger roasts, this slow cooking allows more time for the enzymes in the meat to tenderize. The core probe will record the temperature of the food being cooked. When the internal temperature of the food has reached its set point, the unit will sound automatically to tell that the cooking process is complete. Let's begin. First, we want to be sure that the probe is plugged in. In the event that the probe is not plugged in properly, the unit will beep and display "Connect the core probe." Check and reconnect the probe. If the unit is not already on, press the switch to the on position. The screen will display the operations mode. Now select the manual cooking icon to enter the manual cooking menu. Select the Delta T cooking icon. Now we are in the temperature difference setting page. Here we will select the temperature for Delta T. For normal meat products, we will want to set the difference from about 100 to 104 degrees. Enter the temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing the plus or minus, or press the temperature display and then input the temperature desired. Once selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking mode. Now select the steam input desired. Select the dry steam icon. Enter the desired percentage of humidity that you desire from 0 to 100% by dragging along the bar, pressing the plus or minus. Once selected, press the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking mode. Now we will need to set the fan speed. Select the fan speed icon. Enter the desired percentage of the fan speed that you desire from 0 to 100% by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus, or pressing the percentage display to input the percentage desired. Here you can also set the fan rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise. In addition, you can set the fan to semi-static. Semi-static rotates the fan according to the temperature in the unit. The fan will turn on when temperature is lower and turn off when it reaches the set temperature point. Once the fan selections are determined, press the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking mode. After setting the Delta T cooking parameters, you are now ready to begin cooking. Place the probe into the food product, being sure that the core probe is inserted deeply into the center of the food to reach the right position and so it does not detach from the food easily. Be aware not to insert the probe into the greasy part of the food or near the bone. The cooking process may finish early in this case. If the food is very thin, please place the probe parallel to the food container so that it is inserted properly. Place the food product in the unit, being sure that the probe wire is located on the top right corner of the door. Press the start button at the lower right side of the display. The unit will display your cooking settings. From here, press the start button again and the oven will undergo the cooking process from a cold oven. Once the core probe reaches the desired internal temperature, the cooking process finishes. The oven will beep, the screen will display the remaining message, "Cooking complete." Now you can remove the food product from the unit. Remember, this is not a timed cooking process. It is a core probe temperature process and could take longer to cook because of the size of the protein being cooked.